Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Harig Easy Surf, serial number 722EZ. Machine has a Harig CNC control. The spindle is currently running, extremely quiet. We'll start the table reciprocation back and forth. Hydraulics are also nice and quiet. You can speed up and slow down your table through this knob on the front. You have your hand wheels here for and then you also have spindle up and down. You have a hand wheel. I'll jog. Here, axes are nice and quiet. Get out so I can jog the other. That's your rapid of your bed in and out, or your Z-axis. I'll stop the table. You can also use it as a conventional surface grinder. You have an OS Walker 612 electric chuck with a variable controller over here. See, it's not on. Turn it on. Holds the knife, no problem. And it releases. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.